Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Delight with Anju. I hope guys you all are doing well. So without wasting a single minute of your time, let's get started the video. Some children are very lucky, but others are not as fortunate. Let me tell you about one such child named Ronak. Ronak lived in a small village where there were limited opportunities for education and growth. While some children in her village had access to good schools and supportive families, Ronak's family struggled to make ends meet. Ronak's family struggled to make ends meet. Ends meet means they were not able to fulfill their needs till the end of the month. His parents worked hard, but they couldn't afford to send him to school. But they couldn't afford to send him to school. Despite the challenges, here despite is being used as a connector. Despite the challenges, Ronak dreamed of becoming a successful businessman one day. So he had to work in the same factory as them. Means he had to work with his parents in the same factory. Every day, Ronak would wake up early and go to work. Every day, Ronak would wake up early and go to work. Here, with the place of would, you can use used to. Used to. Ronak used to wake up early and go to work. Even though he wished he could go to school like other kids. Even though he wished he could go to school like other kids. Despite the tough times, Ronak never lost hope. Ronak never lost hope means he didn't give up. He worked diligently. Diligently, guys. It's a adverb and meaning careful and using a lot of efforts done in a careful and detailed way. Dreaming of a better future. Dreaming of a better future. One day, a kind hearted person noticed Ronak's determination and offered to sponsor his education. One day, a kind hearted person. Kind hearted means, guys, a man who are generous and helpful for others. Ronak's determination and offer to sponsor his education means seeing Ronak's determination, he noticed that I would sponsor his education means I will pay all expenses while studying. With this opportunity, Ronak worked even harder and eventually went to school, fulfilling his dreams and making his parents proud. fulfilling his dreams and making his parents proud. But trouble seemed to follow quickly. But trouble seemed to follow quickly means trouble, it was not seemed to be ended. One day there was a theft at Ronek's house, and all their belongings were stolen. It's a passive voice sentence. And all their belongings were stolen. It's a past indefinite passive voice sentence, guys. They were left with nothing, means they didn't have anything. And once again, life became very difficult for them to earn their livelihood. Livelihood means, guys, the way that you earn money. However, Ronak refused to give up. However, Ronak refused to give up means he didn't give up. He didn't want to give up. He spent every spare moment he had reading books borrowed from neighbors. He spent every spare moment he had reading books borrowed from neighbors. Borrow means to take or receive something from somebody that you intend to give it back, usually after a short time. And teaching herself whatever he could, and teaching himself whatever he could. He was determined to create his own luck, no matter how difficult it seemed. He worked tirelessly. Tirelessly means without getting tired, soaking up knowledge like a sponge. Soaking up knowledge like a sponge means he was working hard in order to learn or gain knowledge. Despite facing numerous obstacles along the way, guys, you just jot down all vocabularies. Despite facing numerous means big, obstacle, problems along with way, he never lost hope. He never lost hope. Continued to work hard day after day. He persevered. Persevered means, guys, to continue trying to do or achieve something that is difficult. Persevered. And one day he completed his education with determination and resilience. With determination and resilience. Resilience is the process and outcome of successfully adapting to difficult or challenging life experience, guys. He turned his life around and became a successful businessman. And one day he met the same person who had sponsored his education. One day he met the same person who had sponsored his education, the one who had helped him when he needed it the most. Ronak was filled with gratitude. Ronak was filled with gratitude as he thanked him for believing in him. Believing in him. Guys, you remember one thing, that after believe you have to use in. And giving him the opportunity to challenge his life. Ronak was filled with gratitude as he thanked him for believing in him and giving him the opportunity to challenge his life. So, guys, it was the story of hard work. I would like to say that your hard work will be pays off one day. No one can deny this fact, guys. Sooner or later, you will get that result. I hope guys you would like it, and if you like, then please like and share, drop beautiful comments on comments box, and yeah, if you are new, then subscribe the channel for good content, and let's meet in our next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning. Have a nice day, guys.